Hi, welcome to NPA Teaching. In modern days, no country is self-sufficient. It has to depend upon other countries for importing the goods which are either non-available or available in insufficient quantities or producing these goods at cost-effective prices. Similarly, it can export goods which are excess in quantity and are high demand in other countries. Foreign trade is all about imports and exports. Trade between two or more nations is called foreign trade or international trade. It is the exchange of capital, goods and services across international borders or territories. No matter what is the reason, the ability of some nations to produce what other nation wants leads to international trade. Foreign trade in India includes all imports and exports to and from India. Prior to 1991 economic liberalization policy, India was a closed economy and used the extensive quantitative restrictions on imports. Since liberalization, India's economy has improved mainly due to increased foreign trade. Over the years, India's foreign trade has come to occupy a central position in the economic scenario and the prosperity of the country. Foreign trade accounted for 48.8% of India's GDP in the year 2018. Now India exports around 4,450 commodities to about 222 countries. It also imports around 4,343 commodities from 220 countries. Exports and imports are not only restricted to commodities, but services is also a major exporting and importing item. According to World Trade Organization, India's share in the world merchandise export was 1.7%, whereas commercial service export was 3.5%. India's share in the world merchandise plus service export was reported 2.2% during 2018. See, India's top 10 trade partners during 2019-20 are USA, which accounted almost 11.3%, followed by China 10.9%, then UAE 7.3%, followed by Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, Iraq, Singapore, Germany, Korea, and Switzerland. And these 10 trading partners jointly accounted for more than 50% of India's total merchandise trade. See the bilateral trade position with respect to top trading partners over a period of time, that is from 2014-15 to 2019-20, is shown in this table. With the two top trading countries, namely USA and United Arab Emirates, that is UAE, India has consistently run a trade surplus since 2014-15. On the other hand, India has trade deficit continuously since 2014-15 with respect to other major trading partners, namely China, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Germany, Korea, Indonesia, and Switzerland. India had a trade surplus with Hong Kong and Singapore till 2017-18. Then it changed to trade deficit in 2018-19 and 19-20. Thus, India has a trade surplus with the USA and UAE and trade deficit with other major trading partners. Now we are discussing the direction of India's foreign trade. Direction of trade means the statistical analysis of the set of a country's trading partners. For example, India's trading partners both in terms of export and import and their significance in the international trade. India was being a colony of Britain and traded chiefly with Britain during the pre-independence period. This continued even after the independence, at least for some years. Then after trade pickup and now after 73 years of independence, India has trade relation with almost all countries, and this has resulted in reducing our dependence on a few countries and thus has reduced the vulnerability of the economy to outside pressures. The direction of India's trade in terms of export means the analysis of group of countries to which India export its goods. There has been an ever-expanding geographical diversification of India's export since independence. See the given figure, the blue color bar diagram shows the share of country in total India's merchandise export during 2011-12, and the orange color bar diagram shows the share of country in total India's merchandise export during 2019-20. India's largest export destination country continues to be United States of America USA in 2019-20, followed by United Arab Emirates UAE, China and Hong Kong. Between year 2011-12 and 2019-20, India's exports to USA grew the highest. Similarly, we have direction of India's trade in terms of imports, which represents the group of countries from which India import its goods. Formerly, there were many countries with whom we had no or insignificant trade. But at present, we have a trade relations and import from almost all countries of the world. Prior to our independence, our import trade was primarily with Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, that is OECD countries, particularly with UK. Then the share of OECD country has declined rapidly after independence and also from UK. See the given figure, the orange color bar diagram shows the share of country in total merchandise imported during 2019-20, and the blue color bar diagram shows the share of country in total merchandise imported in 2011 and 12. See, the China continues to the largest exporter to India, followed by USA, UAE and Saudi Arabia. In recent time, Hong Kong, Korea and Singapore have also emerged as a significant exporters to India. The composition of trade means the statistical analysis of country's product group in its international trade. The analysis carried out for the product group exported is known as composition of export, and the analysis carried out for the product group imported is known as composition of imports. India exports a huge number of products and imports equally a good number of required products. As a result of industrial progress during plan period, there has been an increasing diversification of India's export over the years. Before independence and during the initial years of planning, India's major export items were tea, jute, cotton and textiles. As the economy progressed, a large number of finished goods like capital goods and other engineering items, chemical, leather, ready-made garments, handicrafts, etc. have entered into the export list. See the commodity-wise composition of export during 2011-12 and 2019-20 shown separately by using pie chart. Petroleum, oil and lubricants, or petroleum, that means petroleum product exports have dominant share in India's export basket. In 2019-20 and in 2011-12, petroleum products continues to be a largest exported commodity in value term. In terms of growth, it was a drug formulation and biologicals which grew the highest between 2011-12 and 2019-20. As far as the composition of import is concerned, the initiation of the planning process in 1951-52 and more specifically the beginning of second five-year plan in 1956-57 brought about a considerable changes in the composition of imports. During 1950 and 1961, India's major imports consist of food grains, cotton, jute, etc. But after that, the trends has changed. Now the imports of primary fertilizers, iron and steel, non-ferrous metal and other industrial inputs has increased. See the commodity-wise composition of export during 2011 and 12 and 2019-20 shown separately by using pie chart. See, the crude oil imports have a large presence in the import baskets that correlate India's total imports with crude oil price. Then gold imports have also significant presence in the import baskets that correlate India's total imports with the gold price. The last 5 years periods, for example, which is starting from 2009 to 14 and 2014 to 19, the share remained the same between 2018-19 and the first half of 2019-20. Despite increasing in the gold price, possibly it is due to increasing in the import duty that reduced the import of gold. Thus, in the import baskets of 2019-20, crude petroleum had the largest share, followed by gold and petroleum products. However, between 2011-12 and 2019-20, imports of electronics grew the fastest from a negligible share to 3.6%. I hope you are clear about India's foreign trade, its direction and composition. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.